There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.
Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Thursday, January 14th, 2020. My name is Thomas Hunt, and this is the World Crypto Network. Our top stories today: Bitcoin bounces back as option market sees 20% chance of $50,000 Bitcoin at this month's end. Bitcoin is unlike any other bubble we've seen so far. The Man Group even going so far as to compare Bitcoin to Prometheus in Greek mythology. Rapid profits. Bitcoin hash rate accelerates while mining difficulty touches all-time high. But first, the price of Bitcoin is up 14.69% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 39,777. A high of $40,001 and a low of $34,433. That's $1 for 2,515 Satoshis. Volume was at 13,882 Bitcoins traded, while the market continues to lean long, with now 90% of the market heading that direction. Bitcoin dominance continued to rise, now at 68.39%. Checking out our top stories: Bitcoin bounces as option market sees 20% chance of $50,000 Bitcoin at month's end. While a 31% rally to $50,000 Bitcoin in 2 weeks may be challenging to envision, it is far from impossible given Bitcoin's prior rallies. By Omkar Godbol, writing in CoinDesk.com. Bitcoin's recovery from Monday's low is gathering pace, with the options market pricing in a double-digit probability of an above $50,000 Bitcoin by the month's end. The leading cryptocurrency by market value is currently trading at $38,300, representing a nearly $4,000 or 11% gain on a 24-hour basis. The price bounce has erased a significant chunk of losses observed earlier this week. Bitcoin dropped from $40,000 to $30,305 on Monday on heavy selling in the spot market, most notably on the US-based Coinbase exchange. Despite the recovery, the cryptocurrency is still well short of the record high of 41,962 registered on January 8th. Options market data shows investors are betting on a continued rally and are assigning a 20% probability of the cryptocurrency rising above 50,000 by January 29. Bitcoin is unlike any other bubble we've seen so far. Bloomberg. Man Group compares Bitcoin to Prometheus in Greek mythology. Volatility is likely part of the price discovery process, the firm says. It's almost like something that Andreas Antonopoulos said in 2013. We always used to talk about Prometheus and how Bitcoin was bringing fire to man. Rapid profits. Bitcoin hash rate accelerates while mining difficulty touches all-time high. The Bitcoin network's hash rate has been operating at a very high processing speeds during the last few weeks, as the overall hash rate touched a whopping 171 exahashes per second on Monday. Moreover, the network's mining difficulty has also touched an all-time high at 20 trillion, the highest difficulty the network has ever experienced in the last 12 years. One aspect of the Bitcoin network that people look at to measure the protocol's overall health and growth is the hash rate. At the time of publication, the Bitcoin hash rate is processing at speeds of around 165 exahashes, and the miner's collective hash power has been nearing all-time highs again. For instance, on December 30th, 2020, the network hash rate spiked to a colossal 178.6 exahashes, and 12 days later, the network hash rate hit 171 exahashes. What has surpassed its all-time high is Bitcoin network mining difficulty, or the difficulty adjustment algorithm, DAA. This week, the mining difficulty is the highest the difficulty has ever been in Bitcoin's lifetime to date, LTD. After the significant price dip on Monday and the accelerated hash rate the same day, the protocol pushed mining difficulty to 20.61. Impressive. Moving on to other stories from Twitter. I tweeted one of those quotable Bitcoin things. If you guys want to quote it, make me a Bitcoin thought leader. I just thought this was something that needed to be said. I thought of it the other day as a good slogan for Crypto Graffiti's billboard projects, but it is something that I wish anyone had said to me about Bitcoin at any point, whether it be missing Bitcoin at $1, missing it at 30, seeing it rise to 300, or even now seeing it rise to 30,000 and 40,000. You are not too late. You are not too late to Bitcoin. macOS Big Sur 11.2 beta removes the filter that let Apple apps bypass third-party firewalls. Everyone was freaked out about this a few months ago when Apple released Big Sur and included a way to let Apple programs still phone home despite your firewall. Apple has removed this option. Jack Dorsey, one of the creators of Twitter, the CEO of Twitter, the CEO of Square, the man who put the little Bitcoin icon after the hashtag on Twitter, has been talking about technology recently, and one of the things he talked about was Bitcoin. Here's what Jack said. The reason I have so much passion for Bitcoin is largely because of the model it demonstrates, a foundational internet technology that is not controlled or influenced by any single individual or entity. This is what the internet wants to be, and over time, more of it will be. Impressive quote from Jack. Always good to have powerful friends. And you can really see what he's talking about in this age of Facebook bans, Twitter bans, and everyone waking up to the fact that we let centralized ad-controlled companies build our technologies because it made startup founders billionaires and made lots of stock people lots of money. Check it out. We're still raising funds to buy a new laptop. If I buy a new laptop, it'll have a better keyboard so I can type more. I use my laptop to make my shows, especially when I'm traveling. I use the laptop to hold the video, to edit the video, to broadcast the live streams. I use it to write the shows. I use it all the time. So if you'd like to support this show, please donate now to the QR code on your screen using Bitcoin, or go to tallyco.in/s/PK9RS8 to donate with the Lightning Network. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and a share. Subscribe down below. We're trying to get 100,000 subscribers here on the World Crypto Network. We're getting closer all the time, thanks to you. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave us a thumbs up and a share. And until next time, bye-bye.